an aircraft engineer. I start at the Portuguese Air Force. Here we are the engineering team. We do the maintenance of the aircraft for the flying school. We have between 90 and 120 students a year. They are flying all the time. Different aircraft require different maintenance. The most common one is the 50 hours inspection. Every single bolt has got its own standard torque. If you go over it, you could stress the bolt could fail. It's a lot of responsibility. We need to have good tools. Using a FACOM torque wrench, you can control the quality of every single critical area. They're very good, they're very clever, because it will tell you straight away the precise torque. My dad used to say, if you're gonna buy tools, buy the good ones. FACOM tools are the best ones I know. It feels comfortable to use. Don't buy anything else.